Finally, a video where we actually get to do some blacksmithing. So for the last couple challenges, or challenge I should say, I've only done 2 of these challenges so far. In the warped blacksmithing challenge, we have made a candle snuffer for the one for a gift. And we did that god-awful hammer thingy mallet for the warped part. Anyways, that was funny though. Anyways, we're going to be blacksmithing a bottle opener today. I got myself this U-bolt, and I'm going to use this as my stock. I'm just going to draw it out, and we'll make some funky-ass design. So, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and cue the time-lapse. Opener. I'll show you testing it in a little bit. I just have to run and get a bottle that I can open with it, I guess. Okay, how's she going there, eh? I'm not even gonna bother doing that. Fucking shit. Oh, that'd be funny. What's going on, everybody? This is like day 3 of this warped blacksmithing challenge shit. Fun challenge. Everybody needs hobbies. Hence why I'm out here. Essentially, I've been doing a lot of filing on this. I did a bunch of filing the other day. And the one day I did blacksmithing, the next day I did filing. Today we're doing finishing work, like more filing is what it is. So all I've been doing is, you know, filing. By the way, check out this awesome little vise I made. Here, let me check it out, everybody. Zoom you guys out. I made this back when I started making a ring, and I needed a vise. I didn't have a vise at all. All I had was C-clamps. So what I did is I took 2 pieces of wood, I drilled it. One in the, and this here is fixed to the wood, and then this one just screws in here, and you just loosen the screws, put your piece in. It's great for doing finishing work because it doesn't mar the surface or anything. It works amazingly. I'm also pretty crafty too. There is my tripod. I have a little jig that I'm holding the camera in. It's actually an iPhone that I use. I'll have to show you that one day. But anyways, finishing work for the Warped Blacksmithing Challenge. It's a bottle opener. As you see, I've gotten her nice and shiny, and I really like this finish here. I've really enjoyed finishing this, doing finishing work, mainly because I don't ever really do it. So, putting some pride into this work here today. As you guys can see, this has got a slight bend into her. More than a slight, actually. It's like probably out a 1/4 inch. But it's fine. We got some files here. These are my important files. My file holder. File holder? Or file folder? Oh ho ho! Anyways, I'm gonna turn on some music and put this into a time lapse where I finish this, so to speak. Wait, no, yes, I'm finishing it. Yeah, okay, well, I'll see you then. Cue time lapse. That was probably like the worst time lapse ever. Anyways, there's the filing done. I added some little, whatever that is, some etching and stuff. It actually goes all the way around. I thought it looked pretty cool. Then we got our twist. I might add something still yet. A couple more things actually, but it's 9 o'clock now. I gotta do some homework, and I figured that's gonna be it for the filing right now. As you can see, this little vise worked kind of okay. It just made a mess. If I did it any better or any different, I'd probably make this piece have like wooden dowels, or this would slide on, and then just put a C-clamp on that, because that would probably work the best. But yeah, so pan over to tomorrow or whenever the next clip, I guess, will be instantaneous for you, will be a while for me. But yeah, that's what we got so far. Okay, everybody, so here's the bottle opener. We're just going to get a nice shot going across here. As you see, the only thing I really added was this kind of shitty maker's mark of mine. This did not turn out the way I would thought it would have turned out, because it just kind of spaced weird, and I also did it with a file. But yeah, that's the finish you get after like a few hours of filing with just a mill file and a fucking bastard file. Funny enough though, so as you can see, here's where the files are. So as you see, here's the files. If I would have just went down to here, I would have found a die grinder with a fucking scrubby pad on there, and that gives a much nicer finish. As you see, I started working on this blade. I forged it out, and then I just kind of left it for the last few months. And I forged it out in the beginning of October, so yeah. Anyways, that's the finish you'll get there. Nice and shiny. You really can't see. It's a nice shiny finish though. I tried sharpening this, just kind of see what I could do with the bevel. Haven't heat treated it yet, so really won't hold an edge. But yeah, that's the fucking bottle opener right there. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, thumbs up, yeah. Hit that subscribe button, and give me suggestions on stuff I should make. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.